So I'm just gonna say, hey, edit the above code to get the last 200 periods instead of the last 20 periods. And I could probably just do that myself really quickly because it seems like it writes out all of the code over and over again, which, is that the best thing to do? I don't know. I feel like they're gonna cut me off at some point and not let me use this because I feel like I'm using a lot of credits. But whatever, I'm gonna run it and see if it changes this. All I need this to be changed to is 200 instead of 20. Now, because that's like 200 lines of data opposed to 20 lines of data, so my 40 SMA is gonna work much better. Because right here, it won't get an SMA for the 40 because there's only 20 lines of data. So I'm just gonna have it run again, and they'll probably eventually cut me off because this is a lot of different code I'm running. But thus far my analysis is, it's super helpful, probably for things that you don't understand. Right now, I know how to do this, and look at that, I just got a network error. So it looks like I'm just pushing it too hard. So let's go ahead and regenerate response. Only one message at a time. Please allow any other responses to complete before sending. So maybe this is the end of my use of ChatGPT. I'm gonna hit refresh. Actually, I'm gonna take all this code before I hit refresh just in case, because this is pretty good code and I can use it. Let's go ahead and now hit refresh. Let's go back here. Regenerate response. Okay, maybe that's all it took. Perfect. I've heard that the cost of running OpenAI and ChatGPT are really mind-boggling. That's at least what the founder Sam says. So I can imagine when I run harder things like this, not just like I don't know. I wonder if this takes more credits than, generating like a paper or something.